Boolean is a powerful tool that has been enhanced in Maya. I'll show you how to use it. My name is Andrew and I publish on my channel describing complex functions of programs in simple language. Open the Maya program and create a cube and a sphere as an example. Using a cube and a sphere, I will show you how Boolean operations work in Maya. I'll detach the Boolean operations from the panel. For convenience, you can do this too. If you accidentally close this panel, don't worry, it's still there in the menu. You can unpin it again and put it wherever you want. The cube and the sphere intersect. Part of the sphere is inside the cube and we can see it now. Now I'm using the first function of Boolean. A new geometry was created. The internal parts of the cube and the sphere that intersected disappeared. Guns appeared on the cube near the sphere. They need to be corrected like this. Or using a built-in function. You still have the original separate cube and sphere. On the right you will see a Boolean tab that contains your cube and sphere. You can move the cube and the sphere relative to each other and the geometry will change. That's why it's called live Boolean. If you delete the history, you will no longer be able to edit the live Boolean. Previously, to cancel or change the Boolean operation, you had to press the cancel button Ctrl+Z, but since version, in the field on the right you can change the type of the Boolean. You can still move the sphere or cube and the geometry will change. Let's do each Boolean operation and look at the results. Play with these features and try them all out. Please note that all resulting holes are covered with polygons. This is a very useful set of functions that will help you make cool models faster. Now I will show you a simple, interesting example of using Boolean operations in Maya. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss useful information.